Hey guys, welcome to KCA. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can actually make 300,000 naira monthly just on Bybit P2P trading as a merchant. So let's get started. Some people make more than a million in a month just as a merchant. Personally, I've made far more than that just as a merchant. So let's get started. I'll be using a neutral account for you, not my merchant account. This account has no money on it. So number thing is ensure you download your Bybit. So when you download your Bybit, ensure your account is verified. You can see my year is verified just as an account owner, and ensure that you're a verified merchant. You see, one thing people don't tell you is that you need money to make money. Don't worry, I'm going to tell you that. But before we proceed further, let me show you my account here. Let me show you how much I've done in the past and how much I've traded in the past, so you can know that the person talking to you actually is a practical example of what it's telling you. You can see here, let me show you my profile here. Let me go to more data here. Over the past 2 years or so, I've traded more than $71,733. If you want to calculate that, go to your calculator. 71,733 dollars, right? Multiply by, let's say, 1,460. What's going to give you? This over 104 million. That's what I've done in transaction on P2P just in the last 2 years. So I'm not just talking like someone who doesn't know what he's saying. So I'm telling you like someone who truly knows what he's saying. And this account is not even the merchant account. It's just a general account. So the next thing you have to do is that once you are verified on P2P, the next thing you want to do is that you have to go to this add icon here. So once you click on add icon, you say you want to post ad so that people can see your ad and come and buy from you. So once you click on post now, it's saying this account is not verified, or to post an ad, so I have to apply for verification. We have 3 levels of verification. We have the general advertiser, we have the verified advertiser, we have the block advertiser. Block advertiser are institutional traders. Verified advertiser are the regular advertiser. So what makes the difference is the amount of deposit you have make on the platform. Now, before you can actually be a merchant, you have to have a guarantee, like a collateral, if I may say, or like something you are using to stand in. So for instance, to stand as a general advertiser, you need to have minimum 200 USDT as a secure deposit required. This 200 USDT, they are not going to steal it from you, they are not going to collect from you. Any day you are not doing an advertisement again, that you are no longer interested in selling and buying, you can always withdraw your money back. But as long as you want to be selling and buying, this is your security. That's why I call it a security deposit required. So in case you want to play with people's emotion or take people money away, they will just use your money to pay them back. Or you're trying to manipulate or do frauds on this platform. That's why it's very hard to see people play fraudulent game on this platform. So what you need to do is make a deposit of this $200. That's around 300,000 naira on the platform and secured. Then you're not going to look for capital to start the business. So this one is just to rent the shop. Do you get the point right now? So that's why don't forget about those guys to see me online that don't worry, you can just go online, you don't need money, this and that. You need money. As a matter of fact, to make that 300k monthly, I would advise you have minimum 1 million. So you can use 300k for deposits and use the money 700,000 naira for business. That's just it. Because the higher the money you have, the higher the money you are likely to make. So once you have that done, the next thing is you have to come to this account here right now. This your P2P. So this is the buy, this is the sell icon. Don't forget, one thing is primarily important. Whenever someone is buying here, whenever you're buying here, remember that someone is selling. That's why you can buy. You are buying, someone is selling behind the scene. Someone is behind the scene that is selling. That's why you can buy. And whenever you click on sell here, when you are selling your USDT, someone is behind the scene that is buying. Someone is at the back end that is buying. So those who are at the back end is who you are right now as a merchant. So you are the one at the back end. So if you want to buy USDT, you come to the back end, post an ad, come to ad here, post an ad saying that you are buying. Do you get my point? So you are buying at the back end. If you are selling, you go to the buy icon, so you are the one selling. So you are the back end. You are the one behind the scene. Do you get my point? So now, that's the primary, or that's the practical part of it. So now, let's assume now you are verified and you want to start trading. That means you can actually buy USDT for a rate of 1475, as low as 1475, or around that range. Or let's say the current price range, let's say this is the regular, let's say at the rate of 1,048 something or so. So let's just say you are even buying for 1,475. Are you getting? But before you can buy for 1,475, remember that this person is selling between 1 million to 23 million. So the higher the capital you have, the cheaper you can get USD to buy. So as I have 1 million right now, I can buy from this guy immediately. If I'm buying from this guy, I can buy at a rate of 1,475. But just imagine you don't have up to 1 million. You'll be buying from this guy who's selling at a rate of 1,484. So you need big capital. Don't let anybody lie to you that you don't need capital. If you have big capital, that means I buy from this guy 1,475. Are you getting me? If I'm not on sell back, don't forget that if you are selling, you are clicking on buy. I can sell at the rate of 1,482. See, 1,482 higher than that, or 1,483. These are how much guys are selling. So let's say I'm saying that 1,482 flat rate. So let's say I bought at 1,475. See how we make money right now. 1,475 minus 1,482. The difference is 7 naira, right? So let's now say I bought for 1 million. 1 million, right? Divided by 1,475. That means I'm buying 677.96 USDT, right? Do you understand that? Yes. So if I'm buying 677.96, or let's say 678, right? 678, just see how we make one now. 678 multiplied by 7 naira, that's the difference in price, right? That I'm making. Don't forget, I'm selling at 1,482, I'm buying at 1,475, and I'm buying $678. So multiply it, this give you what? A total of 4,746 naira. 4,746, that's automatically like 5,000 naira on a single trade. And if I want to sell, automatically I'm selling at 1,482. So I make like 5,000 on single trade. So all I need to do is turn over the money like twice in a day. I've already made 10,000 naira secured. This is exactly how people make money on P2P. There's no magic to it. But the line they don't tell you is that you need capital to make money. So don't just wake up and say, oh, I'm making 300,000 naira daily. I don't have the capital, sorry. It's just my bunch of key. So I don't have the capital to make the money. No, you need the capital to make the money. So don't let them lie to you. You don't need money. Just come online with $25, you can turn to $250. It's a lie. There's no magic anywhere. If that was it, they would have bring in all their family members and teach them. They will never have teach you about that. So KCA, this KCA, we don't hide things from you. We tell you exactly the truth. And someone is asking, sir, what now happened to my $200 that I deposited on the platform? Well, they are going to give you back any day you are not interested in trading as a merchant again. But you can see how cheap this thing is. So just imagine right now, I'm buying from this guy right now at 1,475. She get this person, and imagine how much I've made. So don't forget that when I'm at the back end buying right now, I'm telling people that I want to sell. She get that this is how much they can sell to me. So if you are selling between this range, I buy from me and I make my money off it. Do you get my point? So that's exactly how these guys make the money on P2P. So someone can come right, okay, I've sent to this guy at 1,475. He sent to me at I'm buying from him at back end at 1,475, and he has clicked sell here, 1 million to 23 million. Anybody that's ready within that range, bam, it clicks sell to me. Immediately clicks sell. If you come back in next, let's say 1 hour or 2 hours, you don't see this guy again, you will have finished all his order. So that means you can turn over the money. So there are guys, I think when I started crypto early, I see people who actually employ staffs that are doing this for them. Employ staffs, transaction, plain transaction, and they are making money. Some people are making a turnover of millions every month as P2P merchants. How did they make the money? That's what I just explained to you in a nutshell. It's as simple as that. And you can actually make far more than that yourself by just doing this simple process. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Please, if you have not hit on the subscribe button for this value I've given out, can you just click on the subscribe button, bam, smash on it. It costs you nothing, just nothing. No notification, just click on the subscribe button, and you can see you keep getting valuable videos from us time to time. Please hit on the subscribe button. If you have any question, can you please ask in the comment section below? Let me answer your question directly. And if you are new to P2P, you don't even know how to buy or how to sell as a beginner, just click on this video right now. Check on our profile there on YouTube. You will see a video I just did. I did a video recently which I used 500k as a practical for my students on how they can buy. I purchased 500k and also sell immediately, and it was so seamless. So that's how you can get this started, guys.